From the cold silence of space, a world turns in light and shadow. Clouds drift above continents, rivers thread through forests, and golden waves meet the shore. Here, people laugh, share meals, build futures, one breath, one step at a time. This is
At the heart of our solar system burns a star unlike any other to us. The sun, a vast sphere of plasma and light, drives the winds, warms the seas, and powers life on Earth. Every spark, every flare, every ripple of its surface.
In the emptiness between stars, gravity has carved a well so deep that not even light can climb free. Matter coils into a glowing whirlpool, racing at nearly the speed of light. Each particle that crosses the horizon is lost forever, its story ending in silence. A black hole.
Holding steady.
Copy. She's a beauty. Passing the flare field. We're clear.
Behold Saturn, the ringed giant. Its vast system of rings is composed of countless icy particles. Holding steady.
Copy. She's a beauty. Passing the flare field. We're clear.
Powers life on Earth. Every spark, every flare, every ripple of its surface.